Manual conversion of values within Excel spreadsheets is very time-consuming. Examples include converting inches to centimeters, grams to ounces, miles to kilometers, and so forth. I'll show you how to work around this challenge. We'll use the convert function to avoid tedious manual calculations. Let's place the cursor in the cell where we want our converted value to appear, and then type the equal sign to signal to Excel that we'll be starting a formula. Type the word convert to bring up the convert function, and then type the open parentheses. Now click on cell B2 to fill this into our formula as the value to convert from. Then type a comma. Now select from this list the unit of measure you'll be converting from. In this case, we'll be using grams, and you'll need to double-click to make the entry. Now type another comma and select the unit of measure you'll be converting to. In this case, we'll be converting to ounces. Again, I have to double-click. Type the close parentheses and press enter. The cell with the formula now converts the value in B2, which is grams, into ounces and places that value into C2, which is where we typed our formula. Now, I'd like to limit the value so that it's only showing 2 decimal places. I'll highlight the cell first of all, and then I'll click the decrease decimal button on the Home tab menu until only 2 are showing. You'll find that right here on the Home tab, and then you'll see the option right here. Go ahead and click on it until only 2 decimal places are showing. Let's go ahead and select C2 again, and then we'll press the Copy button from the Home tab menu. Here we're starting at the Home tab menu, then we'll click Copy. Then click and drag using the left pointer button. Then release to highlight the cells. Then click on the Paste button from the Home tab menu. This copies the formula into all the cells and converts our values within the spreadsheet. And you're done. I hope you've benefited from today's gift. If you found this video useful, please feel free to share it with family, friends, and colleagues. Bye for now.